people. Bring it in. Listen, another action-packed day. Hey, we're bringing us another banger. Some crazy things that happened. I don't know if anybody's seen the price action, the price movement that's occurred today with XRP. Things are getting a little crazy. You can tell there's definitely some manipulation. We're going to talk about that a little bit here. We got Bitcoin that has broken over that 42,000 mark, guys, officially cueing that crypto bull cycle. Understand, guys, this is the levy that we all needed in any space. If you're in any of these stable coins, Ethereum, Bitcoin, really the whole crypto space in general, understand that we're cueing that move of that crypto cycle, and all this before the Bitcoin halving, guys. Expectations, again, like I said, let's break and hold above that 42,000 is going to cue that movement up to 50,000, guys. You got to understand the FOMO that is already occurring right now. And what better place to be than sitting on this with some XRP loaded up, riding this wave up here instead of missing out with. But guys, put on through. Spot price of XRP sitting at 62 cents currently after a very wicked, weird dip. We had some correlation. I'm going to bring this together so y'all can kind of see this correlation. We spoke about this yesterday. A wicked move up to 64 cents, around 64, 65 cents, and then almost like an immediate dump back down to where it set around 61 cents before it started trending back up again following the proceeds of what you would assume Bitcoin, right? Nay, we spoke about this in yesterday's video about XRP's correlation with gold and how the belief is, and from what's laid in front of us, the tokenization of XRP are being backed or underpinned by gold and utilized that way as far as being a tangible asset behind these transactions, right? Ironic that this is the chart for XRP. And look at what happened with gold today, guys. Listen, gold had a spike from where we were speaking of on yesterday around 2000, I think it was 2040. Shot all the way up to 2,100 and almost $50, guys. You got to understand, these moves with gold are vast. That was a rip out gold. You got to understand, it took them, and that's the 5-day chart. On the 5-year chart, you got to understand, it moved from 1,200 to 2,000 in 5 years. So a movement of $100+ going up towards $200 in a blink of an eye in a couple of minutes. You got to understand, one, financial unrest is coming, but two, look at how similarly that chart fares against our chart. We had the same blast off, right? Pull and then a crash. Similar, the same thing, and kind of with even similarly following out this chart, even as it goes currently right now, right? Just wanted to put that out there. I said, now look at the irony of this. I want people to kind of keep that in the back of your eyes. Look at the price point of how gold moves and see if it's correlating with XRP, if that's just me. I'm just saying that things look a little bit too close, right? But let's keep putting on through now. Just in, Bloomberg says the start of the fresh crypto super cycle that will push Bitcoin above 500,000. Guys, as we just mentioned on the intro, guys, the crypto bull cycle is officially kicking off. That break of what really was 39,000 sent us up to 40 or 30, about 39,000, about 38.5. We'll go with 39. Sent us up on a snatch up to 42,000, right? You got to understand that this is all in lead of the Bitcoin halving as well. So there's going to be even more price correlated with that. People, you've got to understand, I was talking on one of our family when I said Bitcoin 150K, guys. You got to understand, there's no top on it right now. And we're going into financial mayhem. This is the time that crypto runs. The bull cycle that we're correlating right now was at the counter how bad things are going on the outside as far as economic systems go. The economic systems are collapsing. Crypto is running up. People have unsurety in the system as it currently stands. But just reading over quickly. As Bitcoin surges past 42,000, Bloomberg says this is the start of a fresh crypto super cycle that will push Bitcoin above 500,000. The price of Bitcoin rose higher Monday to a 19-month peak above 42,000, according to Bloomberg. Bitcoin topping 42,000 is just the start of a fresh crypto super cycle that will push the world's biggest token above 500,000 in what it here say is the new monetary order taking Wall Street by storm. Understand the new monetary order, not just talking about Bitcoin, they're talking about stable coins, they're talking about crypto. That is the new monetary order. The dollar is done. They need something that we can exchange cross-border that has equal value everywhere. People are done with the centralization of the U.S. dollar being the powerhouse. It's not backed by gold anymore. We can't disagree with them either. The surge comes as investors grow hungry for crypto exposure as well as improving macroeconomic trends. Bitcoin is coming off its third month of gains, adding another 11% so far in December 2023. Furthermore, the market cap reached 800 billion on December 4th today. Hence, Bloomberg's analyst predicts the prediction for Bitcoin will grow much more bullish and see extraordinary surges for most crypto, with Bitcoin at the forefront. Guys, the crypto cycle is kicking off, guys, and not to mention, I saw that December 1st. Happy birthday to the Money Mafia. This is a 1-year birthday for the channel, guys. Hey, much love to y'all. It's just a reminder that you got to just focus on what it is that you want to make happen in life. Any goals that you have, go shoot for them. And like I said, things will fall in place with the right amount of tenacity. And much love for y'all boys being there. But let's pull on through. Breaking news: Brazil billion-dollar banking giant, biggest bank, Itaú Unibanco, is diving into Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are launching a crypto trading service for users starting with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and soon expanding to Ripple's XRP and more. Guys, here we go again. Another mega bank that's coming in from Brazil. Y'all got to understand. We know hey, don't want to talk too much. Things get smothered, but y'all know what's going on with the bricks. Here we are, right in front of your face. Now, this is getting zesty. It's getting real zesty. Pulling on through from Ripple Head. With promising fintech growth and increasing consumer demand for digital banking, Africa represents a bright opportunity for finance sectors. Discover the estimated 2.7 trillion market cap opportunity and the new faster payments in Africa, guys. Remember now, we had that announcement from Ripple Swell of the partnership with Onafriq, which does all the selling and transacting of money, I think, through crypto already right now in Africa, and is the largest firm, is partnered with Ripple. And now we've got this coming through. The African market is expected to be a vital driver for global business and financial service. Providers will take a key role in making the market's $2.7 trillion opportunity reality, and fintechs have already penetrated the African market to meet the growing demand for digital financial services. Through Ripple's partnership with Onafriq, the largest payment hub in Africa, as mentioned, the financial institutes have the opportunity to leverage Ripple's worldwide network to support frictionless international business payment powered by the blockchain. Guys, it is all coming online. Get ready, lock in, guys. Stack whatever you can. I'm trying to tell you, something is about to pop off. You're not going to be sitting at this 61, 62 cent range too much longer, which was a gift. You've only been here realistically for about 2 months. Get ready. We're about to launch off. You saw that pop already to 66 cents. That break again last time sitting at 75 cents. We're looking for that break of 66 cents. You're sitting 4 cents from it. Do not be twisted. Do not be lowered. Stack what you can. Put it on through. Just a reminder of the size of Onafriq. Let's tap in. This is from Ripple Swell. I just want to remind everybody what we're talking about here.
Mobile money, which is where really digital payment started in Africa, is instant native. What we've done as MFS Africa was to take that instant capability cross-border. When we move money between Kenya and Uganda, we go through those 2 layers, as I mentioned, the messaging layer, the compliance layer, and we have to do all of this and the settlement for the end user in less than 45 seconds. If it takes 5 minutes, the sender is going to call. If it takes an hour, he is going to come. Not just call.
And basically, he's talking about in Africa, they ain't playing around with if the money is not received to who it was supposed to be sent to. And basically, they're coming to say the importance of how that settlement speed and the security of Ripple is such a massive thing. Why they had to do this partnership. Understand, guys, Ripple is the rail carts. The stuff inside of it is what's going to be transacted, but we're giving them the super speed cart system.
He doesn't believe that the money was sent. So we were able to do that at the level of Africa, and we continue to do that. We process, hundreds of thousands of these transactions every day.
And just so y'all understand what's coming online, hundreds of thousands of transactions, which is what they're saying, where they say we have this $2.7 trillion opportunity about to come in. I want y'all to understand this is not something to be played with. The time is coming. It's laid out in front of you. Don't miss your opportunity. Like we mentioned last time about thoughts and yachts out here now. Bring it on in. Last video, we'll close it out. Yeah, let's get it. This is basically, we'll read up here. In order to meet the needs of your customers, you need consistent supply of liquidity. Brad Chase explains how crypto liquidity is absolutely essential for the institutional adoption in the latest, right? 1 minute.
Not known for being brief, but it is a good challenge I'm up for. Hi,
Fair
my name
use.
is Brad Chase, and this is Crypto in a Minute. Liquidity absolutely impacts institutional adoption. So institutions, larger financial service businesses, banks, corporates, whatnot, they're going to need to be transacting and moving value in large sizes, more frequently, and importantly, running a business, they have high demands for uptime and availability. So they need to be able to meet the needs of their customers. That means they need consistent supply of crypto liquidity to facilitate that value movement. So if you're building a business and you're an institution that wants to adopt crypto, enough liquidity is crucial for you to be able to enter the space. Of course, the flip side of that is as institutions enter the space, that's going to draw more liquidity into the space. Though that's because that large demand need can be met with supply. And so as you have more and more of that supply, you get a nice flywheel effect where more and more institutions adopt, they provide some liquidity, others come in to meet that liquidity need, and it grows and grows and grows. So crypto liquidity, absolutely essential for the adoption.
The internet of money. The internet of money. And understand that this is not a question of if. It's really a question of when, and the outline of when is right there in front of your face. But like I said, just sit back on your heels if you want to. This is a necessity, and then the amount of time that it's taking for settlement right now, especially in the times that we're coming with, is going to be a no-go. This is the new factor of payment in the financial system, guys, and we have front-run the big money and hedge fund. But understand, a few will get rich. A few will get rich, and a lot of will be on the sidelines, just thinking about the fact they missed that opportunity, guys. Listen.
Crypto by institutions.
Nice job there. Nice job there. Listen, much love to y'all boys. Hey, go check in on the last video if you have a little confusion about the explanation of gold. Like I said, that was a banger that hit hard. Much love to y'all boys. Much love to the Money Mafia guys. We're going to keep bringing them, guys. The time is now. Do not be caught on your heels. I'm stacking them coins, not financial advice. Just telling you what I'm doing, okay? Yes, sir.